Diagnosis of fatty liver disease or steatosis. In fatty liver disease, there is excessive deposition of triglycerides within the hepatocytes, that is, the cells of the liver, due to which the function of the liver is degraded, diminished, which is later on destroyed by the process of fibrosis. Now, the history of the patient and the physical examination, especially in the right hypochondrium palpation that may produce pain to the patient, or in initial stages there is enlargement of the liver, can be discovered by the process of palpation. The other procedure for diagnosis is liver function tests and the lipid profiles. In liver function test, blood sample is sent to the laboratory for ALT, AST, ALP, albumin, and the platelet counts. In this disease, when the cells of the liver are damaged, the enzymes which are necessary for the normal function of the liver cells, they comes out of the liver into the passage into the blood. They are leaked out and they are going into the bloodstream. So the level of these enzymes, they are increased. So this is the indication that there is a damage to the liver cells. So these values of the liver enzymes are increased, whereas albumin and platelet count is decreased due to damage to the hepatocytes. Now, lipid profile test, total cholesterol and the positive or the useful cholesterol, harmful cholesterol values, they are also discovered. And especially the amount or the quantity of the triglycerides. Because the triglycerides, if they are increased in the blood, they are more likely to be deposited in the liver cells. So these two tests are the basic one, while the other tests, they are also performed, especially for diabetes, hypertension. So these medicines, they should be used before the treatment of the fatty liver disease treatment. You have to control the diabetes, you have to control or normalize the blood pressure of the patient. While the other medicines as anti-tubercular, anti-cancerous, these medicine, because they are used for a long period, they also produces damage to the liver cells. So for in these diseases or for this therapy, you have to consult the healthcare providers to adjust the dose of this disease along with the treatment of the fatty liver disease. Ultrasonography is a very excellent and resilient procedure. It is a harmless one. High potency sound waves are used to detect the pathology in the liver and almost in every organ of the body. So ultrasonography is a useful procedure. This produces the images and detect the extent and size of the liver and echogenicity. That is the various pathologies and the mass produced in the liver. Another fibro scans. In fibro scanning, high potency sound waves are used to detect and discover the extent and the cirrhosis of the liver. Next, it is a rare procedure to be performed when the ultrasound technique has been arrived and used nowadays. That is the biopsy of the liver. You pass under local anesthesia through the abdomen into the liver. A syringe is passed and the tissues they are extracted and sent to the laboratory for study under microscope. Whether there is cancerous or precancerous stage. So this test is now rarely performed, while the fibroscan test is usually performed nowadays, and it is a very excellent one. So these are the various diagnostic procedures performed for detection of the fatty liver disease.